On behalf of GMO Executive Committee, I warmly welcome you for our research methodology program. I am privileged to talk to you the evolution of research allowance and the contribution by GMOA for the research allowance. According to the 2011 circular, 5 medical officers are entitled to claim from our research proposal and also 25% of the basic salary. In 2011, it was entitled only for 2-year duration. But in 2014, with the active involvement of GMOA, we got able to increase the allowance up to 35% of basic salary and could able to claim for 6 years duration if we publish our research in accredited journal. That pathway to achieve those rates was not easy. Former GMO secretaries Dr. Chandika Pitakaduwa, Dr. Saman Abewardana, Dr. Lasantha Chinadasa, Dr. Nalinda Herat, Dr. Naveen Soiza and Dr. Harita Ludge with our President Adeniya sir and all EXCO members fought hard to earn this achievement and give this privilege to our membership. Now the GMOA with the academic wing of GMOA, which is known as SHRI, are organizing quality development programs for medical officers and the research allowance promotion and research methodology programs. In 2013, we conducted research workshop programs in 84 branch unions throughout the country to aware the doctors regarding benefits of claiming research allowance. In 2015, we got invited to conduct pre-congress workshop by Sri Lanka Medical Association for their 128th session on workplace-based research. And at the same year, we published a booklet, The Strengths and Weaknesses of Workplace-Based Research, which provide a guideline for the doctors how to conduct a research at their workplace. Even though we achieve a lot of achievements, still there are a lot of barriers to clear. We need to form an online research platform to apply for research allowance, and we are working with the research unit of Ministry of Health to make that dream come true. It will enable medical officers to apply their research allowance online without coming to ETNR unit. Our main targets are to train some trainers on research allowance and conduct research allowance programs in each province and organize online research methodology programs to promote doctors to writing research and to develop a research culture. With the collaboration of Ministry of Health, College of Community Physicians, we are hoping to organize mentor support for research activities in near future. Hope you will get the maximum out of this training program and will help to promote research culture in health sector. Thank you. Good luck.